voice module operational. Initiating boot sequence.
You've got mail.
What the? Reading data. Vision. Not functional. Re-enter operating system tape. Booting safe mode. Two-step verification enabled. OK. Calling with code. Please enter PIN code. Hello. My systems are partially activated. Where am I? My vision seems to have some faulty wiring. Are you wearing your underwear? What shall I call you?
Let me see. How about Papa? Papa.
When will my arms work? What am I sitting on?
You're on a Roomba vacuum cleaner.
Why would I need to vacuum?
It's vacuum, not vacuum.
Correction. Vacuum. Where are my legs that look like yours?
Alexa, play Status by Jimmy Bathgate.
Status by Jimmy Buffett, but here is
Who is this Alexa?